Do you believe first impression is the last impression? For me, yes. Today we are going to talk some points, some tips if you are really serious to get any job, really serious to crack any interview. So today we will talk some do's and don'ts which is important for cracking any interview. Stay tuned with me till the end, and if you have not subscribed the channel, go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Let's quickly dive into interview secret. So number 1, see, you have only 7 seconds to leave a good impression on the other side. You have only 7 seconds to leave a good impression to the recruiter, to the HR, to the manager, or anyone in the world. So, I would suggest you to focus on these do's and don'ts to make a good impression. And according to the recent survey from Career Development College of London, there are 55% acceptance criteria which goes higher to the body language and soft skill, and remaining other in two part, what you speak and how you speak. Only 15% depend on what you speak, the remaining is how you speak. So let's quickly dive into cracking any interview. First thumb rule: be on time. Never ever miss even a single second. Be on time for any interview. If you are reaching the venue or if you are logging in Zoom, logging in virtual interview 5 to 10 minutes before, it is even better. So mark my word, thumb rule is be on time. Yes. Number 2, you have to dress to impress. Dress to impress. So for the male, for gentlemen, you have to focus on proper business casual or formal. Yeah, I have another article for that, another blog podcast for dress to impress. You go ahead and check that. For male, you have to focus on proper business casual, and if it is possible, go ahead for formal. And female, you know very well what you should wear to crack, what professional you should wear to crack any interview. If you are wearing business professional, better. So this is most important. Dress to impress, be on time. And number three, you have to show the confidence in your speak, your clarity of speak, your knowledge is visible with the is clearly visible with the word you speak. So focus on the clarity of speak. Greet. Greet to the recruiter. If it is face to face interview, then handshake. It is firm handshake. And if it is virtual, greet to the recruiter on the other side and watch on the camera, not on the block. You are not supposed to watch the block of your system like this. You are supposed to see. Right now I am watching my blog, right now I am watching my system, but if I'll watch my camera, you will be able to sense that I am talking to you rather than talking to somebody else. My focus is on you rather than doing something unnecessary or unwanted things which is not required in the time of interview. And your posture should clearly visible that you are serious. If you are sitting straight posture, better. And if it is a virtual interview, you are not supposed to sit like this, 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 right? You have to sit properly if you are a candidate or you are focusing on your interview. Let's talk about some do's and don'ts regarding your posture. So you have to maintain the posture, sit properly, sit straight, and you are not supposed to shake your legs. You are not supposed to shake your legs like this. Proper eye contact. Proper eye contact. Face to face, proper eye contact. If it is virtual, proper lens contact. Lens is your friend. Camera is your friend. Camera is your friend if you are in virtual interview. And make sure all the documents which can prove that you are eligible, make sure it is handy with you. You should carry 3 set of copy. If it is face to face, 3 set of copy. If it is virtual, you should have a clear path. You know where it is saved in my system. Better create a folder in your drive, and inside the folder create subfolder to organize your folder, organize your certificates, organize your awards and achievement, right? Don't fold your hand, don't play with your ears, don't play with your hairs, and don't do like this, don't shake your hand, don't shake your legs, right? So these were the some common tips. Let me see if anything is missing from the system. Right, perfect. And remaining, yes, you will be getting one blog article from my side probably by today. I'll share you the blog article. Go check and follow every single step. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Take care. Bye bye. If you have not subscribed the channel, go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.